Turning now to Storm Watch 12 meteorologist Josh Colbert this morning. Are we seeing visibility issues in Grants Pass?
I think we are.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah. Now, even though the sensor isn't saying that visibility is below 10, at least the last time I checked in on it, yeah. So the sensor is at the airport in Merlin, but this view is coming courtesy of the Tap Rock Northwest Grill. So a little bit of distance between those two locations. And just know that where there is fog this morning, it could be freezing fog because temperatures are, well, right at freezing. So even though we're not seeing any reductions in visibility on the map this morning, just know that there is the potential for some patchy, dense fog this morning within portions of the Rogue Valley. Temperatures this morning are looking pretty mild compared to what we saw for some of the mornings last week. So we're in the teens and 20s for the east side, 20s and 30s for the west side valleys, and mid-30s there along the coast in Brookings. A little bit later today, here is your dining forecast for the Rogue Valley. We're going to give it 2 stars for both lunch and dinner time. We will have a mixture of sunshine and clouds, so that'll be nice. But the temperatures are going to feel pretty average for this time of the year, so still a little bit on the chilly side. So personally, I would keep it indoors for lunchtime. So for today, temperatures will be in the 30s and 40s for the east side, 40s and 50s for the west side valleys, mid-50s there along the coast in Brookings. We'll have partly cloudy skies, but back to the temperatures, they'll be pretty average for this time of the year. And winds will be fairly light. They will pick up a little bit towards the Cascades, gusting upwards of 20 miles per hour, but nothing too significant. And then overnight, clouds will increase just a little bit, but the increase in cloud coverage is going to keep our temperatures pretty mild, again, when you compare it to some of the temperatures we had for the mornings of last week. So we'll end up being in the teens and 20s for the east side, 30s for our west side valleys, near 40 degrees there along the coast in Brookings. And there is that potential, once again, for there to be some fog, some patchy fog towards Grants Pass, but it's not looking like it's going to form down towards Medford. And then we're tracking another storm system into Tuesday and into Wednesday. So we'll go ahead and time all that out with Stormcast, and we'll pick up the action right around breakfast time on Tuesday. And you can see a band of light showers for Curry County into Josephine County, and this will spread inland throughout the rest of the day, but it's going to have a very tough time. I think there's some small shower chances we could have for the Cascades, for the Rogue Valley, but I think most of it stay dry for Siskiyou County and for the east side as well. Snow levels are going to be anywhere between 3,500 feet to 5,500 feet. So there is the potential for some very light accumulating snow, maybe upwards of 2 to 3 inches for Crater Lake. But that's about it. All these amounts are going to be very light because this is going to be a very dry storm system. So dealing with that storm system for Tuesday, but then we will dry out for Wednesday into Thursday. Temperatures getting very mild into Thursday, and then we'll get knocked down another peg as we head into Friday and Saturday because we're tracking another storm system pretty comparable to this one for Tuesday. It's going to be a bit on the drier side, and for right now, rainfall, snowfall amounts not looking too superb, but this is still 4 to 5 days out, so this is definitely subject to change. Here's your 7-day forecast for the coast. Rain looking likely for tomorrow, then we'll dry up for Wednesday, then a couple different chances for rain and maybe even some thunderstorms for Thursday through Saturday. For Siskiyou County, we'll see temperatures in the 40s and 50s for the next 7 days, so things are going to be very average. We'll have small shower chances for Friday and then into Saturday as well. But I think for the storm system for tomorrow, most of us stay dry for Siskiyou County. For the Klamath Basin, winds will pick up tomorrow, but I don't think a lot of moisture is actually going to make it down to the surface. But our weather will be impacted, again, because of the winds picking up. And then temperatures becoming very mild into Wednesday and Thursday, dropping back down into Friday as we have that small chance for rain and snow showers. And we can maybe get a couple inches up towards Crater Lake, up towards Diamond Lake, probably similar amounts for Friday into Saturday, but nothing too extreme. And then for the Rogue Valley, small shower chances for Tuesday, drying out, becoming much more mild for Wednesday and Thursday, then small shower chances return into Friday and Saturday.
Okay, and temperature's not looking too bad either. I love seeing that 60 degrees on Thursday. Is there anything super pressing or super worrisome this week weather-wise?
I don't think so. This is a pretty ho-hum, run-of-the-mill weather week. Well, it shouldn't be run-of-the-mill for this time of the year. We should definitely have more rain in the forecast, but nothing that really jumps off the page. I think, if anything, both me and you are kind of perking up a little bit at that 60-degree temperature for Thursday.
Thursday just became my new favorite day of the week. I'm loving that. So, okay, perfect. Thank you, Josh.
Of course.